Hi, welcome to Henderson's Cafe. My name is Alex. Today we are going to do some videos on how to um, use the espresso machine. Um, so every place does things differently and there's reasons why. Um, and but first we're going to start off with the menu. I'm going to be putting some images on the videos. At any moment, please stop the videos if you need to pay more closer attention to the pictures. Our menu is broken into 4 different parts. The first part you see the basics, which is the espresso. The second part is what we sell the most, and we do a lot of them, which are the signature lattes. And then we have the simple stuff, coffee and tea. And then we have the non-espresso drinks, which are the steamed drinks. And we'll start with the espresso. Espresso doppio. Doppio means a double shot. So different cafes will do singles and doubles. Here at Henderson's Cafe, we pull only doubles. Macchiato. A macchiato is a doppio espresso with an ounce of steamed milk. Cortado, it's the doppio shot of espresso with 2 ounces of steamed milk. Americano. Americano is hot water and espresso on top. It's a way to make a hot drip coffee using espresso. Cappuccino. Cappuccino is espresso, steamed milk, and foam in there. So the cappuccino has foam. Cafe latte. Cafe latte as well is espresso, steamed milk, and foam, but the foam is a lot less foam. Now we go to our signature lattes. That's pretty much a lot. Signature lattes are lattes, and we just add flavors to it. So the first one is a vanilla latte. We add vanilla to the latte. Mocha, we add chocolate sauce. Henderson's, we add caramel sauce. Maple Madness, we add some of the Vermont maple syrup. It's one of our most popular drinks. Turtle Mocha, that is chocolate and caramel sauce. Coconut Mocha, chocolate and coconut syrup. So when it comes to signature lattes or lattes, you could pretty much add any flavors to it and be super creative. You could do a hazelnut honey latte. If you have a cardamom rose syrup, you could do a cardamom rose latte. The possibilities are endless. Now we move to our coffee and tea section. Coffee is just a drip coffee, pretty straightforward. Iced coffee is ice. It's pretty much we let the coffee cool down and it's iced coffee. Then we could add espresso to the coffee, and that makes it a red eye. So we could do a hot red eye and iced red eye. Then you have your hot tea and your iced tea. In the steamed drinks, a chai tea latte. So the chai, we make it here in house. It's a little bit different than other places. So it's important to know that and let the customers know that it's different than what you would get at a Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts. And we'll go with the proportions with all these drinks in future videos. Matcha latte is a green tea powder. We mix it with honey and typically make it with coconut milk, but you could substitute the coconut milk, you could substitute the honey. Hot chocolates, we will do a video on that, a future video. Cafe au lait is coffee with steamed milk. You want the dominant to be the coffee and a third of it to be steamed milk. Then we have our London Fog, which is Earl Grey tea with some vanilla and also a third of steamed milk. And then we have our extras, double shot of espresso, the different kinds of alternative milk, and people could add things to their drink and take off things of their drinks. And I will explain that a little bit more detail in future videos. Okay, so here we have our espresso, which is a double shot of espresso, doppio. This is a macchiato, which is a touch of steamed milk. This is a cortado, which is also a touch of steamed milk. So the difference between a cortado, which is this one, and a macchiato, which is this one, is that this macchiato has 1 ounce of steamed milk. This has 2 ounces of steamed milk. This is your Americano, hot water with espresso. Then you have your cappuccino, and then your latte at the end. So the difference between the cappuccino and the latte is the amount of foam.